Let's see. What's up, my nigga? Kissing a stranger?
Me? I'm not kissing a stranger. I'm kissing my fiance. Are you kissing a stranger? And you are someone's fiance?
Engaged.
But you're kissing a stranger? So you're cheating on your fiance?
Yeah, the stranger didn't say no.
Oh, so because the stranger said no, you don't say no.
Did you say no now? Did you say no now?
Because you are my fiance.
I'm not your fiance.
Then whose fiance are you?
I'm somebody's fiance. Not yours though.
But you're kissing somebody else. How does that work?
It works.
So you're cheating on your fiance? I can phone your fiance and tell her?
Phone yourself. Do it. I've never been so happy looking like a fag. Oh, I thought that was a bump. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another vlog. Yeah, today is Monday the 21st, right?
Is it the 21st?
You told me it's the 21st in the morning.
I think it is.
Somewhere there, it's Monday.
22nd.
Jeez. 22nd of December. And we just came back from the car wash. We're home now. I just want to sleep. I just want to lay down. I honestly have zero energy to do anything, but welcome back to my channel. See you guys. Did I get the footage I would know?
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair or tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move to a great gesture, I would think it's my reflection. In this cold season, close enough. Who could say every time we touch, every time we are? Wish I could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too foreign. I know when they see just someone who they see us too. Ooh, it's from the mountain to you. I'm mountain to you. It's when I'm mountain to you. Mountain to you.
Good morning, welcome back. It's the 24th of December and we are going to fetch someone's mother-in-law at Westgate. We're going to fetch someone's mother-in-law at Westgate. Oh my god, why do I feel like I'm in the dark? Why is it so dark?
It's your glasses, my baby.
Oh. I need to stop drinking alcohol. And I didn't drink today. But yeah, we're fetching someone's mother-in-law because she wants to be helped get ready. She's going on vacation tonight. I'm gonna find a way to make it. Yeah, I was about to sing nonsense and then I had to remember the right song. So yeah, let's go to Westgate. And I saw you guys Monday. Yeah, when we took the car to the car wash. So yeah, tomorrow will be its own vlog. Are we doing anything tomorrow? Honestly, no. We're probably not even waking up from bed, basically. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, let's go to Westgate to fetch my mother. That's the part where you say in-law.
Hello.
This one. This one, like this. Yes, girl.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Look how dusty I am. Mission accomplished. Oh. Turn around.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Now it's waiting for it not to turn.
Show me hands. I don't know. What did you do to your poor hands?
I'm alright. I wake up and I'm somehow beside you. Instead of beside you, and this shit is beside you. You don't even know.
I'm making.
If you're still making Peppermint Crisp Part in 2025, automatically all 1K. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. It's your favorite meal of the day. And today
You want a bigger thingy?
Because, well, we can probably do a bigger one, but then it's going to be thinner sandwiches.
Okay, so there's this glass thingy. It's not here. I think it's in the other open trays. It's a glass one. It's a bit bigger. I think it would work. You can't choose the tin foil one, right? I need a flipping glass of wine. Yeah?
Which one?
Yeah, that's the one I meant.
Okay.
Flipping Mother Mary.
And I do you
I
want?
love that I need to rinse my glass, my baby.
Okay, you love that?
I love that I have mastered the skill. I look a mess, by the way. I love that I have mastered the skill to take off my ring before doing anything.
And then put it back before you do anything else.
Yeah, and I have mastered the skill to put it back before I leave the house. So, yeah, I don't wash dishes with my ring. I don't shower with it. I don't mop or anything that has to do with water, oils, or whatever. Even when I'm cooking, I like to take it off because I get my hands dirty. So, yeah, I love that I've mastered that. I don't know why. I just feel like I want to keep it clean. I'm okay with that face. Thank you.
I know you love me.
I would have whooped you if I didn't. Do you want a glass of wine too?
Okay. Seeing as there's no spraying cook, I'm going to use a bit of butter.
What in the world?
I need help.
No. I'm Superwoman. I can do it.
So we have to just, not that it's stick, but we're just going to put a bit, ne? Put butter to just layer our stuffies so it doesn't get stuck too much.
Okay. Are you not going to put the whatever
The what,
thingy
lunch
that
paper?
you put? Yeah.
Don't have it. So we're making a plan.
You didn't think about that when you were in the shop.
No,
Can't you use the one for the air fryer?
no. I'll use this one.
My mom just left. I'm gonna end this vlog after this, and then we'll see you guys on Christmas, right?
Making crisp, peppermint crisp sandwiches.
I'll show you guys when she's done making it before she puts it in the fridge, and then I'll show you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow on Christmas on another vlog. This is my goodbyes. I'm fucking tired. I need a shower. That's all I have to say. Ik is moe.
Say bye.
Yeah.
And you can show that as well.
This is the layering babysit. I must show you guys. She buttered her plate, right?
Yeah.
And then you put tennis biscuits. You're using these ones, tennis originals. And then we frost it. We should do this with our coffee. Sorry. Shake it to the mix. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake. We had cornflakes for breakfast, and now we're having pork chops, fried rice with some carrots, corn, and some cucumber. Here is Christmas lunch, and then we have the dessert that we made. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Hello. Wait, calm down. Calm down. I'm coming. This is you make this door dirty. Don't lick me, please. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Hello. Hi. Merry Christmas, Mika. Oh. Merry Christmas. Hello. It's Christmas. Hello. Okay. Merry Christmas, Mikanos. We got the pictures. Hi, hello. What's the day today?
26. It's Boxing Day.
It's Boxing Day. So punch the person next to you very quickly for me. Aumuru.
Come, punch. Okay.
Yeah, we at Pick and Pay. I thought of making lunch for me and my in-laws. Oh, is that your bestie?
No, it's not.
Park next to her.
It's not her.
Anyways, anywho, yeah, via Pick and Pay. As you can see, we're going to go to the store and pick some stuff. I don't want to be here. Your mom's trunk now. I don't even know how to open your trunk.
No, close it first, and then you can get your phone.
Here I'm boiling my chicken with garlic, black pepper, and salt. I've already done my ready mix. This is the southern coating that I'm using with a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of 6-gun, and a little bit of something else, paprika. Here's the eggs, dip it in the wine. And these are the chips we're going to make. Skinny fries. My baby has skinny thoughts. Baby. Yeah, the damage we made. Show me your hand.
Why don't you go black?
The hair. It looks black. Very black. I don't want things on my bra, please. Some of it I can't feel it anymore. But you have the hair color. You lying. You lying.